Hey everybody, welcome back to the Northwoods. If you're new here, my name is Lori, and today we're going to be installing the RV window shade kit from BougeRV, so stick around. Alright, so let's open up the box and see what's inside here. Alright, we've got the shade, and we've got some velcro strips. This looks easy enough, I think we can handle that. This shade is insulated to keep the heat out and to keep the cold in, and also to keep the sun out of your RV unless you want the sun, and then you can adjust different heights for different amounts of sunlight. Okay, so we've got our Velcro straps here, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these on the door. These are really sticky, so you want to get it right the first time. Shoo! I just about couldn't reach. Okay, so we've got our Velcro strips on. This side of the blind has Velcro on it, so we're going to put that on. While I stand on my tippy toes. And voila, our shade is installed. One thing I really like about this shade is the quality. It feels and looks very sturdy, very well made, well sewn. Another thing I like about this shade is the magnets. If you don't want total darkness, you can just lift it up. Oh, maybe I have it upside down. There. You can have just a crack of light. You can have half a window. Maybe you want to drop it down, just have a sliver in the top. Halfway, 3/4, it's your choice. Now for test number 1. As you can see, fully closed, the shade blocks all the sunlight from coming in through the door. Now for test number 2. Partially open, you can see here how much light is let in when the shade is folded to allow you to control how much light comes in. Well, that was it. Just a couple of minutes to install and you're all ready to go. And if you like this shade, go ahead and go to the description below. Corey will have a link down there for you. And also, they gave us a 15% off discount code at checkout if you use it by July 15th of 2021. So if you like this video, give it a comment and a thumbs up and let us know if this is something you'd like to do to your RV. And as always, if we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.